afternoon and welcome to BBC School Report live from Sherburn High School.
With Sassy,
Mia
and Eve. Today we will be discussing about a problem affecting every marine animal, which leads on to affect human beings.
The world uses over 300 million tonnes of plastic a year, of which thousands of tonnes of waste and trash are dumped into the ocean on a daily basis.
Even though much of the waste is dumped into the ocean, released hundreds of miles away from land, it still washes up on beaches and coastal areas and affects everything in between.
Here to display their opinions on this growing issue are a few of the teachers from Sherburn High. How much impact do you think we have on plastic in the ocean?
A significant impact. We live in a consumer society where everything is packaged, so there's a lot of plastics produced. We don't have the means to get rid of it in a sustainable way, so therefore our oceans suffer as a result of that.
What advice would you give to help save our sea animals?
Use reusable plastics. We understand that it's part of our everyday life, but there's ways we can help the environment and those animals by reusing things, and think about how you're disposing of them, and think about the impact on the environment. So that would be advice that I would give.
Thank you for contributing your opinions to our report. Back to the studio.
Thank you for those wonderful interviews. Lots to think about there. Well done and some great facts.
I have another one for you. Did you know that reefs provide home and shelter to over 25% of fish in the ocean and up to 2 million marine species?
However, I've heard that 20% of the world's coral reefs have been effectively destroyed and show no immediate prospects of recovery due to human pressures.
This is because of global development, overfishing, rising carbon dioxide and global climate change, causing a dramatic change in sea temperatures.
Whoa, this can't really get worse, can it?
I'm afraid it can. Scientists have long been pessimistic about the future, with some reefs expected to vanish by 2020.
Yeah, this would devastate coral reefs to such an extent that they would be eliminated from most areas of the world by the year 2099.
Imagine what it would be like in our economy by this time.
Well, the loss of these fragile ecosystems would cost billions of pounds due to tourism and fishing decreasing in popularity. Here are a few more interviews.
Thanks for being here.
Good morning, thank you for inviting me.
How much impact do you think we have on plastic in the ocean?
Not much of an impact, because I think the oceans cover 2/3 of the planet, so I would imagine it's quite widely spread, so not a great impact really.
Thank you for contributing your ideas to our report. Back to the studio.
We have also interviewed some members of the ocean rescue team here at Sherburn High School to learn more about what they do in their campaign.
We look at documentaries and find out what's going along around the world, and we're trying to discuss it and think of ways we can help our oceans by protecting them from these plastic wastes.
We want to achieve that all schools around the nation have loads of plastic bins, so you can put if you buy a plastic drink from school, you can add it to a plastic waste bin instead of adding it to a normal use bin, and then the plastic waste bins will be taken away.
To conclude, this pollution problem will carry on to affect future generations by contaminating seafood that can cause serious health problems and damage to the immune system.
Okay, let's stop there. That's all we have time for. From here at BBC School Report from the live studio at Sherburn High School.
Remember, make sure you use your hashtag BBC School Report.
Remember,
Don't throw it away, use it for another day.